Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to edit contact number in Oppo K10 phone. Guys, you want to edit any contact number, so you can edit it. In this video guys, I will show you how to edit contact number. So I first of all open your phone. So which contact number guys you want to edit. Example ho guys, I am telling you this contact. Just click here. Then guys, you can see this pencil option. Click here. And guys, you can add it from here guys. You want to cut here, you can change name from here guys. Now we will take any another name. Then guys, we will change into Ravi bhai. And guys, you can see save. So as you can see, so as you can see guys, contact number has added Ravi bhai. So I hope friends you have understood how to edit contact number in Oppo K10 phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching our video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.